Good evening, Mep here, Mep Investments. I want to talk to you about a company called GrowGeneration Corp, GRWG, engaged in the distribution of organic nutrient soils, hydroponic equipment to commercial and home growers. Now, these guys, they're profitable. They have two consecutive quarters of profits. 6 cents versus 3, 6 cents versus 3. The revenues have grown over 100%. And that's why that stock has gone from basically $3 to up to over 30, where today goes down $2.80 to 31.38. So it's a pretty high flyer. I was looking at the option. I currently have a position in them. I've made money on this stock throughout this year, done okay for myself in this stock, and I currently have a position in here now that I'm trying to manage, and I'll show you a little bit how the trade developed and what I've done. But this is their website, and they have all kinds of stuff for, grow lights, hydroponics, nutrients. So they got a good niche here. People growing their victory gardens at home, and I'm sure this probably caters to the marijuana industry as well. So basically, the trade that I did in here, these are my trade orders. I started, I sold here 50 shares at 1987, which I have bought a lot cheaper. I made money. I started this trade with the 2030 strangle. I collected 220. And maybe I didn't do it with high enough IV, because I'm looking at the IV now. That's why IV is so important. IV here, 22%. Over here it says 3. Over here it says 5. It was down 8% today. So it's really not that much juice in here. So maybe that's why I'm kind of struggling in here. I collected 220, so you can see how this breaks out. How I break this down for you, and you get a little bit of a concept of it. I started at 2030, so the stock broke my break even of $32. And what did I do? I brought up the 20 put to the 25 put and collected 45 cents. So the stock kept moving against me, and what I do again, I moved up to 25 to 27.5 on the same month and collected 59 cents. All I'm doing is reducing my risk and my deltas and my cost basis. So finally I said, well, this stock looks like it might end up at 30. So I rolled up again. Maybe it would have been a good day to roll up today because it was down big. But today I didn't do it. I did it on the 30th of November. I rolled up to 30 and I collected another 30 cents. So in the life of this trade, I collected $355 in credits. Now here's my position right here. You see how now I have the 30 call and 30 put. So basically what I have right now is a straddle at the 30 with 9 days to go. I can basically close this out right now, and I will lose $45. You see, $4 minus the $355 I collected is $45. Or I could try and play it out and see if it falls back down. The expected move for the next 9 days is $4. So if it falls back into my range, maybe I can make a little bit more, make a profit on this trade that has gone sour on me. So just wanted to show you a little bit how to defend a strangle that goes through your break even. On this case, Grow went through my call side break even of 32. It got up to 37. So you have an idea of how high it went. It went up to 37. So I kept rolling up to defend my position and lower my deltas. Right now my deltas are negative 28 deltas. So that's my analogy here on this trade here, the breakdown of Grow. And maybe I'll do another update trade, see how this ends up. I'm being stubborn, and I have in order to close it back for the 355 divided by 2 to try and get, 50%, but I'll probably readjust it and try and get 25% because it's basically a straddle. So hope you enjoyed that video. Looks like the futures are open. We had a big down day today, which I was anticipating. Um, it looks like gold is up, ES is flat, small caps up a little bit, NASDAQ down, Dow Jones up a little bit. So I'll continue to do some videos as the night goes along. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Good night.